Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is a really special vehicle right here. These are ultra rare. This is a all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Charger Pursuit package, street appearance package. So it never had a light bar, never had a push bar, never had a spotlight on it. It's got tinted windows. The back windows are tinted more than the front windows. They're really dark tint. And so this is a street appearance package. And I've only had one, two, three. I've had 3 of these so far. I've only seen 5 of them. So the all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Chargers in this newer body style, which came out in 2015, the all-wheel drive V8s were only offered to law enforcement. You could not get one of these from Dodge because they did not offer them to the public at all. So those are already rare cars, but this is even more rare because it's a street appearance package. It came with the factory center console. It's got carpet. Let's look at that real quick. I haven't washed this up or anything yet. It got dropped off late last night, but that's a factory center console. I'll vacuum this out. It's got carpet. It's got a nice cushion back seat. I got my stuff back there. I'm gonna go to the gym and jump on the highway. This is nice, you guys. It's only got 96,000 miles on it. And this cup holder also, close that up. Super nice. All the Pursuit packages have the shifter up here. This is a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 with 370 factory horsepower. The window, look at the window tint on this is very low on the windshield. You might want to check with your state, or just leave it and forget about it, but I don't think that's legal to be that low. This is like some kind of undercover car. It was not used as a regular patrol vehicle. It's got just over 3,000 idle hours. The rear view camera pops up right here. And then you got the backup monitoring sensors that show up right here. You can put it in, you can auto stick, you can manually shift it up and down if you want to while you're driving, or just leave it in regular drive mode. I haven't hooked my phone up to it yet. It's got Bluetooth. Super nice. Was not a patrol vehicle. 96,000 miles. And it's all-wheel drive. And so I'm going to turn off the traction control when I drive this into town because I don't want traction control when I'm in the mud or when I'm in the snow. So there, it shows right there the traction control's off, and this little light comes on showing that the traction control has been turned off. So it's just above freezing right now, so this is melting a little bit, but this is like 7 inches of snow out here about. And we're going to jump in this in the snow to demonstrate the all-wheel drive capabilities. It's got winter performance tires on it with quite a bit of tread still. And then we'll jump down the road, and then we'll do a walk around and jump on the highway. Yeah, so look at all the snow out here. I don't know if it'll pick up how much snow is actually out here on the camera or not, but it snowed really, really good for a few days. On and off. But it's about 7 inches of snow. They did plow this a little bit, but as you can see, no issues. Look how low this is about eye level for me. See how low that tint on the windshield goes. So they did not want people seeing who was in this. It's a total undercover vehicle. Most people, they're never going to know that this is an all-wheel drive V8. It's totally unmarked. There's no badging on it. It's got the same motor as the RTs, except for the RTs are all rear-wheel drive in this newer body. So you absolutely could not get one of these from Dodge. And these are extremely rare. These street appearance packages, I mean, I've only seen one place in the United States have these, and I've only seen 5 of them. This is the 4th one I've ever gotten, and I've never seen them anywhere else. So, I mean, they probably made, who knows, this could be the only black one that was made. All right, so this is really sloppy and deep, full of snow. But we're just gonna go through here nice and easy. Somebody tore this all up yesterday. Decided to come out here and do donuts or something. I don't know. Knuckleheads. All right, let's do a quick walk around and then we'll jump on the highway. All right, there it is. 5.7 liter all-wheel drive Hemi V8. You ain't gonna see another one of these street appearance packages. I'd put money on it. You would not see an all-wheel drive V8 black street appearance package anywhere else. They are unicorns. This is the only black one I've ever seen. There it is, you guys. Let's jump on the highway. Don't miss out on this ultra rare, never see one again street appearance package, all-wheel drive V8. See, it doesn't say all-wheel drive. It doesn't say anything on it. It just says Dodge right there on the taillight. This thing is awesome. Winter Performance Tires. State Troopers ride around on Winter Performance Tires out here all year. Look at all the tread on that. That's a lot of tread. Here's the cool thing about these. You just leave the key fob in your pocket. You just grab the underneath side of the handle and it unlocks. And you press this button and it locks. There it goes. There's a little nick in the seat right there. That's not bad. Upholstery guy will fix that quick for cheap. All right. Like I said, you just push the button. Don't even have to get the key fob out or anything. I'm gonna turn the traction control back off, press this little button right here. Put my seatbelt on. And I'm in deep, slushy, sloppy snow right here. And it easily just comes right out of that. All-wheel drive with Winter Performance tires. You're talking about a lot of traction right there. But look how far down that tint goes on the windshield. That's like over a third of the windshield right there. Oh yeah, sounds good. Cruise control set. This is eye level for me. So look how far that tint goes down. That is not legal in most states. So my eyes are right about there. So that's how much of that I'm seeing. All right. This is my first time driving this. I just got it dropped off late last night. So yeah. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Everything works perfect on this. There's no known mechanical issues whatsoever. Street appearance package. Never had the spotlight. Never had a push bar. Never had a light bar. Black. This thing is sweet. Copcarforsale.com or interceptorking.com. I'm over here in Oregon. Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Factory center console. He's never come with those. All right. You guys be safe. Take care. Later. Here, I'm going to step on it a little bit. Let's listen to that. Oh yeah, that's a V8 for you right there. All right, later.